Most older adults believe eggs are the ultimate protein source. But what if that's not the full story? What if I told you there are everyday foods, some sitting unnoticed in your kitchen, that contain over 5 times the protein of eggs? That's right. And one food near the top of this list is so effective, researchers are now testing it to help stroke survivors rebuild lost muscle. Eggs typically contain around 13 grams of protein per 100 grams, but the items you'll see in today's list go way beyond that, some reaching up to 60 grams. Unfortunately, most seniors don't even know these options exist. Meanwhile, muscle mass continues to vanish quietly after age 60, increasing the risk of fatigue, slower walking, and dangerous falls. In today's video, we're revealing 10 protein-rich foods that beat eggs, ranked from number 10 to the ultimate number 1. Stay with us, because the number 1 food might be the most surprising and powerful muscle-preserving food you've never tried. And yes, every fact here is backed by real scientific research, all linked in the video description. But first, tell us in the comments, where are you watching from, and how has your energy been lately? We're reading and replying to every comment. Now, let's jump in. Food number 10, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt isn't just healthy, it's secretly packed with muscle-friendly protein, especially when you choose the non-fat, triple-strained version. At just over 10 grams of protein per 100 grams, it nearly doubles what a single boiled egg provides. That's major muscle support with far less fat. What sets this yogurt apart is the straining process, which removes most of the liquid and lactose, leaving a thick, protein-rich result. A 2020 study in Nutrients found that older adults who consumed at least 20 grams of dairy-based protein daily showed 25% greater muscle retention, especially when paired with walking. Greek yogurt is also easy to digest, making it ideal for seniors with sensitive stomachs or light lactose intolerance. For best results, skip the sugary fruit blends and stick with plain, non-fat options. Stir in flax seeds, fresh berries, or use it as a creamy base in smoothies, salad dressings, or dips. Food number 9, chickpeas. Often seen as a salad topping or soup filler, chickpeas are quietly powerful. Cooked chickpeas provide over 11 grams of plant-based protein per 100 grams, beating eggs and offering the bonus of fiber, which eggs lack entirely. Why is this important? Fiber helps stabilize blood sugar, ease digestion, and reduce inflammation, all crucial for preserving muscle in older adults. One study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed seniors who replaced some animal protein with legumes like chickpeas experienced up to 26% less age-related muscle decline. Chickpeas are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that supports muscle recovery and movement. Soaking them overnight before cooking improves digestion and boosts their nutritional value. You can roast them for snacks, blend into hummus, or toss into soups and curries for a hearty protein and fiber punch. Food number 8, quinoa. Quinoa might look like a trendy carb, but it's one of the smartest additions for seniors aiming to maintain strength. Cooked quinoa delivers around 14 grams of complete protein per 100 grams, making it one of the few plant foods with all 9 essential amino acids. Even better, quinoa is rich in lysine, vital for tissue repair and calcium absorption. A 2022 study in Nutrients revealed that seniors who ate quinoa daily gained 9% more leg strength in just 8 weeks, compared to those who ate white rice. Soak quinoa overnight to improve digestibility, and cook it in bone broth or low-sodium veggie stock for extra nutrients. Add turmeric or black pepper for an anti-inflammatory boost. Use it as a base for warm salads, stir-fries, or even breakfast bowls. Just 3/4 cup daily can help rebuild energy and preserve strength over time. Food number 7, pumpkin seeds. These little seeds, also called pepitas, pack a surprising protein punch with 19 grams per 100 grams, nearly doubling the protein content of eggs. But their real power lies in their rich supply of magnesium, iron, and zinc, three minerals many seniors lack. Magnesium helps with muscle function. Iron supports oxygen delivery to muscles, and zinc is key for repair and regeneration. When you're low on these minerals, even high-protein intake won't be fully effective. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that pumpkin seed consumption reduced muscle inflammation in older adults by up to 38% over 12 weeks. For best results, choose raw, unsalted seeds. Sprinkle them over yogurt, add to smoothies, or grind into a nutritious spread. Just a handful daily can support muscle and mineral balance. Food number 6. Tempeh. Tempeh, made from whole fermented soybeans, delivers a solid 20 grams of protein per 100 grams, surpassing eggs while offering additional benefits for digestion and nutrient absorption. Unlike tofu, tempeh's fermentation process makes its protein easier to absorb, especially for older adults with weakened digestion. It contains all 9 essential amino acids and a high dose of leucine, which becomes more critical with age for muscle rebuilding. Tempeh is also packed with probiotics that support gut health, which directly influences how well you absorb and use protein. One clinical trial found seniors with diverse gut bacteria retained 18% more lean muscle over a year than those with poor gut health. Try tempeh sautéed with tamari, crumbled into stir fries, or layered into high-protein sandwiches. It's a complete plant-based powerhouse for seniors looking to rebuild strength. Food number 5. Spirulina. It might resemble pond scum, but spirulina is one of the most potent muscle-preserving superfoods on the planet. This vibrant green-blue algae delivers an astounding 29 grams of protein per 100 grams, almost 3 times what you get from eggs. Even more impressive, its protein is over 85% bioavailable, meaning your muscles absorb and use it with exceptional efficiency. Plus, spirulina contains all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, a powerful trigger for muscle repair in older adults. What really sets spirulina apart is its anti-inflammatory action. Low-grade inflammation is a major reason seniors lose muscle mass. But spirulina contains a rare compound called phycocyanin, which was shown in a 2022 nutrient study to reduce C-reactive protein, CRP, a key marker of inflammation, by 32%. At the same time, it boosts nitric oxide, improving blood flow to muscles and speeding up recovery. No need to eat spoonfuls straight. Blend 1 teaspoon of spirulina into a smoothie with spinach and banana. Stir into oatmeal, or mix into homemade protein snacks. Just a little each day can bring real changes in strength and energy within weeks. Food number 4. Seitan. Sometimes called wheat meat, seitan is made from vital wheat gluten and delivers a massive 38 grams of protein per 100 grams, making it one of the most concentrated plant-based protein sources available. It mimics the texture of meat and is rich in amino acids, especially glutamine, which supports muscle healing and immune function. For seniors trying to stay strong without eating too much red meat, seitan is an excellent swap. A 2021 clinical review found that older adults who consumed high glutamine protein sources, like seitan, improved their leg strength and walking speed more than those on standard diets. The key is to combine it with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or citrus, which improve mineral absorption. Grill it, slice into stir fries, or season with herbs and bake for a satisfying main dish. Just watch the sodium in some packaged versions and look for low-salt options. Food number 3. Tuna. Tuna is an all-star protein choice with 42 grams per 100 grams cooked. That's more than 3 times the protein of eggs, and without the saturated fat. But tuna offers more than protein. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce muscle inflammation and help preserve strength. A study in the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia and Muscle found that seniors who added omega-3 rich tuna to their diet improved grip strength and balance over 10 weeks. For the best results, choose wild-caught tuna and avoid versions packed in oil or loaded with salt. Add to salads, make a protein-rich tuna wrap, or mix with avocado for a creamy, muscle-boosting spread. Food number 2. Whey protein isolate. Whey protein isolate is one of the highest quality, most efficient muscle fuels available, delivering a jaw-dropping 60 grams of protein per 100 grams. Unlike regular protein powders, isolates are filtered to remove excess fats and carbs, making them ultra-concentrated and easy to digest. They're rich in leucine, the amino acid that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis, especially after age 60. According to a Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition study, seniors who consumed whey protein isolate post-exercise gained significantly more lean muscle and lost body fat over 12 weeks compared to those who didn't supplement. Mix it into smoothies, stir into oatmeal, or bake into high-protein pancakes. Look for products with minimal ingredients, no artificial sweeteners, and about 25 grams of protein per serving. Food number 1. Collagen peptides. Topping the list is the most overlooked muscle-supporting food, collagen peptides. With a whopping 98 grams of protein per 100 grams, collagen offers nearly 8 times more protein than eggs. Collagen isn't just for skin and joints. It also supports tendon strength, muscle structure, and recovery. This makes it essential for seniors battling sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that accelerates after 60. One groundbreaking study in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that seniors who took daily collagen supplements alongside light exercise saw 2 times more muscle growth than those who only exercised. Even more exciting, some stroke rehab centers are now using collagen to speed muscle recovery and reduce rehabilitation time. The best part? It's tasteless and dissolves instantly. Stir collagen peptides into coffee, tea, or smoothies. 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is enough. Just make sure it's a hydrolyzed, bioavailable form for maximum absorption. There you have it. 10 powerful foods that leave eggs in the dust when it comes to protein content and muscle support. From fermented soy to green algae, these are the tools your body needs to stay strong, active, and confident after 60. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Comment below. Which food surprised you most? And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Front for daily tips on staying strong, mobile, and energized, well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond.